You really haven't learned anything, have you? You chose this life. Live with it.
This should dry out and drop off in about 3 weeks.
Worth every penny. I was so creative when I was 15.
Good for you, Anna. Good for you. Oh, I see you got the body upgrade too. All done. Oh, just so you know, your memories and any of your brain development from your later years, well, you won't be able to keep that. Ralph, Demonon.
No, Doctor.
Ralph?
No.
Son, this is the aging mind reversals unit. Body reversals is in block B.
I can't afford body reversal. Look, I can't do this. This is not how I remember it. These feelings, these sensations. I can't work, I can't focus. You got to fix this. I can't do this.
You read the terms and conditions. Wait another 20 years and we can offer you the procedure again.
Just a few years. Please. I work in a sex shop, for God's sake. I think about all the time.
Hey, I overheard you at the clinic back there. You said something about a sex shop? Wait. Hey, I'm 13 too. I know what it's like, man. They look at my body and they judge me. And I've got a young mind. Do you want to hang out? See what we got. Saucy strawberry.
Does it taste like strawberry?
I have no idea. Oh, look.
Yeah.
Look.
How'd you even use these? Oh!
Ooh.
Let's look in this. Yeah?
Look at the tits on her. Yeah, man.
Look at that one.
Ah, man. She's got short hair. She's probably like Belgian or lesbian.
Yeah, 100%.
Lows. Body reversal!
This is sex drive. It's so bad, you know. I know I wanted it, but it's just really, it's a lot.
Well, sometimes it's not just about that, you know. It's about connection. Yeah?
Whatever. What the hell, man? I'm 13.
It's not illegal, is it? Age doesn't matter. You're young, I'm young.
You're old.
Not in this world. Come on. Look, sit back down, man.
No.
I'm gonna drink.
No.
It's cool.
No. It's not. No. No. No.